Hi, this video is an updated guide on how to complete Discord quests without playing or owning games. You need this to get some cool perks on Discord like free nitro or profile decorations. There were some questions on it, so I have to make this video. For example, you can get this error, we will fix it. Alright, firstly download and install Vencord. You need this so you can use the console. I just downloaded it from the official website. Install Vencord and restart the Discord client. You don't need to use any plugins for this. Then go to the settings, developer, and enable the developer mode. Now you can go to quests. Then choose any available quest you want. It works for videos and games quest both. If you want to get game quest, click on accept quest and select the platform, or click watch for the video quests. Then press Ctrl+Shift+I. Go to the console tab and enter the script to start farming. You can get it from this page. I will leave the link in the description. If you do this first time, you have to type here allow pasting. And then paste the script and press enter. Now it's working. You can close the video and just wait. You can also use Discord as usual when it's working. After that you can claim the reward. And that's it. What if you see this message? It can happen when you are using VPN right now, when you have a lot of Discord accounts on this PC, or for other reasons. There are possible solutions. Try to relog into your account, use the browser, try another browser, turn off VPN, or try to use another location. There is only one solution for me. I can claim quest reward on mobile client. So you can use another device to claim it, or just wait some time before you can claim it. Alright, thanks for watching.